So it was never my intention to make a Let's Talk. In fact, you might have noticed over the last few weeks, I've actually deviated away from that, and I've been making tutorials. Now, not the best content in the world, but I've been certainly helping out a little bit. In fact, today I actually had a video scheduled, and it was the Blender Studio lighting setup for Cycles plus a free scene. If you know where my Gumroad channel is, you're more than welcome to go and download it right now. But I woke up this morning, and the first comment that I read on my phone, it really did grind my gears a little bit. Now, I fully understand, on YouTube you need to be kind of thick-skinned, you need to take the good with the bad, you need to learn how to ignore users, but this really did grind me the wrong way. And I'll quickly show you it, to be honest. And this is from I Am Somebody. So, I Am Somebody, I needed to use translation for this. Now, that's fair enough. Some users might not understand my accent. And to be honest, there's fuck all I can do about that. Use translation if it works. 9 times out of 10 it doesn't. Or it gives you funny words. And it's quite entertaining actually if you just watch a video with translation on. But the second comment, it kind of pushed the boat a little bit. And I thought, you're a dick. So speak English clearly if you want people to understand. Now, do you think I don't understand that? Do you think that's never crossed my mind at any point? I need to pronunciate my words a lot clearer. I need to maybe slow down a little bit. And when I do slow down, I end up just sounding completely angry. But now I'm kind of fucking raging. But anyway, if you have trouble understanding my accent, there's nothing I can do about it. What I do recommend is, don't watch the channel. Simple as that. Find some other YouTuber. Now, there's plenty of very eloquent users out there. Curtis Holt has a beautiful accent, so does Grant Abbott. Even CG Matter is easy to understand. So, my advice is, if you can't understand it, if you're having trouble, don't be a dick about it, just go and find somebody else. Have a nice weekend. The video will be up tomorrow. Cheerio.